13.4 resubmission. So for the first strategy, we have an older people specific gym session at the Wave Leisure Centre based in Seaford, which goes from 10 AM till 11 PM on a Friday. This is constructed because it allows elderly people to come in with people with a similar age to them, because some elderly people tend to be more intimidated by younger people, so therefore it might put them off from the gym. So having this session allows them to go to the gym a bit more often, so they're able to keep their fitness and health up. Another positive is that it also allows them to get confident with different gym equipment, because they'll be in there by themselves. They might feel a bit more confident to try out new machines and different exercises. So thereby not by themselves, but with people of a similar age, it might give them that confidence to step up and try different machines. And they will also have that almost one-to-one guidance of how to use the machines, because there will be fewer people there, so the staff will be able to help them with this. However, a negative is that it's only 1 hour per week, which could be quite annoying for Judy, because she may be busy during that time on a Friday. So having it one time a week might not open that opportunity for her to take it. Also, a membership costs £34.75 for someone her age a month at the gym, for the gym, even though it gives her other benefits like being able to use the swimming pool for free and other gym facilities. It still is quite a lot for her, especially as she isn't working and she's unemployed, and she will also has to pay for her elderly home as well to be able to stay there. The other strategy is called Oompa, which is a strategy led by Sport England, which allows elderly people to try low intensity sports. It helps with socialising, as it brings people of the same age who are interested in the same sport together. So it also, because when you get older, you tend to get a bit more lonely. So by doing this, it can increase your social life and therefore possibly increase your mental health, because you won't be so lonely by yourself. Another positive is that it's free of charge as well, which is good, especially with Judy's situation, as she has to pay to be able to stay at the elderly home where she is. It's also done across England, so there's always that high chance that there'll be somewhere near where they do run this strategy. However, she may have to travel to and from there, which is a negative, as it might be a bit further away from where she lives, and she also struggles with transportation because she has to rely on other people to take her, or on public transport, which can be an issue sometimes because public transport doesn't go everywhere, and also with relying on friends and family, they might not be able to take her those days, and especially as it's only once a week, she might be busy that day as well as the people taking her there, and there may be restrictions with public transport as well, as they do only specific times, so that can also be a negative as well.